Here's a fun exercise in 4 steps to kind of try to get a sense of how we're wanting to move from this sense of there being two things, me and something else, to this to not two. We don't even want to say one because one has like a separate sense of division in it right there. Because if there's one, then there can also be zero. There can also be two, things like that. So let's look at it, and we'll go in 4 steps to kind of work from a sense of a very dual thought about the world to hopefully complete non-duality, all in this step. So here's how it goes. One of the concepts that we have in modern spirituality particularly, and it's been around a long time, is the thought of oneness. And why do we even have non-dual? Why can't we just do oneness? We also kind of have the idea of the universe. And these are kind of interchangeable ideas, because when we really think about the universe, it's very easy to think of it as something out there. So let's use the universe and just understand that I can use the universe and oneness just equally, just interchangeably. So our very first step, our first part of the exercise is when a person first starts thinking about unity and spirituality and things like that, we kind of tend to think, oh, the universe, it's everywhere, it's everything, it's infinite, it spreads everywhere, and I can see the universe. I can imagine the universe. There it is, out there. I mean, we even kind of tend to think of it like up in the sky, right? We see the stars, and there goes the universe. We can do the same thing with oneness, subtly thinking that oneness is something that we can see, something that's out there. Right away, you see how that's dual. There's me, and I'm seeing the universe out there. That's pretty simple. Now let's make a shift. This is a very simple shift too. You start realizing that, oh, wait a minute. The universe isn't out there, especially not up there. It's everywhere. It's like surrounds me. It's everywhere. I am inside of it. And you can actually expand this to and you can do this with oneness too, that it's like everywhere. It's like 360 degrees. It's above me. It's on the side of me. It's everywhere. And I am within this amazing oneness. I am within this universe, and I am a part of it. But you still have a subtle two, because you still have me inside the universe. So see how we're kind of slicing it with our razor and kind of getting a little closer. So you decide, oh, okay, I can see how I've gone from universe is out there to I am inside the universe. I still see that subtle two. How can I turn that? How can I make that less two? How do I cut it with my razor? Well, it's easy. You start realizing, oh, I'm inside this amazing universe that's top, bottom, front, back. It's everywhere. I'm in it, and it is in me. Actually, all my molecules, everything about me, all my thoughts, my breath, are all part of this amazing universe. And you can kind of even feel yourself dissolving into this universe. And when you really kind of get a sense of this, that's what we call a mystical experience. We'll be talking about that later in the course too. But the universe is there. I am in the universe, and the universe is inside me. Now wait, there's still a subtle two. It's really hard to see, but there's the universe inside me. I still kind of have a me. So let's take this to the 4th step, one step further. I'm in the universe. The universe is completely inside me. I've dissolved all my molecules, my thoughts, everything is disappeared in this universe. And the universe is actually looking out of my eyes at the universe. Now you have only zero. You don't have two things happening because there isn't a universe in me. It's all the same thing looking at itself.